step into the 2010 Lexus IS 350. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include heated mirrors, rear-wheel drive, keyless start, satellite radio, power passenger seat, remote trunk release, and driver vanity mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.